If you don't know me, my name's Robert Berger and I own Berger Performance Parts. Today we are picking up another blown up Subaru. This is a 2009 Subaru Outback. It is actually pretty nice. I've been looking for one of these for a while as a daily, but this one needs a motor. In just a second, you're going to hear what rod knock sounds like on the Subaru. Unfortunately for me, this is a familiar sound. This car was ran low on oil and that is why it rod knocked. Normally I don't drive them like this, but this one's getting a whole new motor. Here I kind of show the outside and the inside of the car. This one is the premium leather interior, the moonroof, the heated seats. This is what I've been looking for. My daily drivers are usually Subaru STIs. They're loud and they ride stiff and they're uncomfortable, so that is why I bought this one. I'm going to show you guys the process of putting a JDM motor in one of these. If you guys want to help support, I have t-shirts like this, and I also have stickers. If you'd like to buy one, shoot me a message and that will help me out greatly.